Hello world, how are you? Hope you are doing well. In this video we will talk about coding in Python is fun because there are many different ways to accomplish the same functionalities. Programmers and developers can tap into a variety of languages to build applications, websites, and other programs. Ultimately, their preferred language will end up being the one with which they are the most comfortable and the one that gets the job done most effectively. But one particular language emerging at the top, among all the new programming languages, is Python. The list of programming languages is so massive that it is natural for people to have a wide variety of opinions about which one might be the best. Yet, Python remains at the top. It is undoubtedly considered one of the top programming languages at the same level as JavaScript or C++, and it is also one of the most used languages by businesses and enterprises. Here are the top 10 tips for you to write the best Python code as a data scientist. Code everyday consistency is very important when you are learning a new language. It is recommended to make a commitment to code every day. It may be hard to believe, but muscle memory plays a large part in programming. Committing to coding every day will really help develop that muscle memory. Write it out as you progress on your journey as a new programmer. You may wonder if you should be taking notes. Yes, you should. In fact, research suggests that taking notes by hand is most beneficial for long-term retention. This will be especially beneficial for those working towards the goal of becoming a full-time developer, as many interviews will involve writing code on a whiteboard. Go interactive. Whether you are learning about basic Python data structures, strings, lists, dictionaries, etc. for the first time, or you are debugging an application, the interactive Python shell will be one of your best learning tools.